Welcome to Bike Lane. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda Rebel 500, a mid-size cruiser that continues to redefine what a lightweight motorcycle can offer. Whether you're a new rider or a seasoned commuter, the Rebel 500 has something to catch your attention this year. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Rebel 500 retains its minimalist, bobber-inspired style but now features subtle refinements. A new LED lighting setup enhances visibility, while matte color options like gunmetal gray and deep red add a more premium feel. The low-slung stance and exposed frame remain, keeping the Rebel's signature look intact. Performance and handling. Powered by a proven 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, the Rebel 500 delivers smooth, predictable power ideal for both city riding and light touring. Honda has fine-tuned the throttle response this year, offering slightly more mid-range torque. Coupled with a low seat height and a narrow frame, the bike remains approachable and agile. Comfort and features. For 2025, Honda has upgraded the seat padding for longer ride comfort and added new handlebar grips to reduce vibration. The LCD gauge cluster is clearer and now includes a gear position indicator, a small but welcome update. ABS comes standard, and the suspension setup remains forgiving for various road conditions. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Rebel 500 stays true to its core as a stylish, easy-to-ride cruiser with just enough updates to keep it fresh. For riders looking for reliability, comfort, and a touch of modern flair in a mid-size package, the Rebel 500 continues to be a solid choice. Thanks for watching Bike Lane, your road to everything on two wheels.